Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you how to create a video using just the pictures on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So first open the gallery app. Now go and find the pictures that you want to use for the video. So let's just select these for this example. Now tap on this create option at the bottom. Now select movie. Now in this window, you will see several options. You can add text, you can add stickers and emojis, or you can even add drawings. You can tap on this music icon to add either music from Samsung's own library or from your local storage. You can then go back to the previous menu. You can use these icons to apply various transition effects between the pictures. Finally, you can tap this three dot icon at the top to change the aspect ratio to anything you like. You will see several options here. You can even drag and drop the pictures to left and right to change the order. Finally, tap this done option. Now select the save movie option and the video will be saved to your phone's gallery. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.